Hey everyone, it's Xhico. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I have been doing design for quite a while, over 30 years now. And when I first got started, it was because of my love of lettering. And I first started doing logo designs and logo types. I've been doing it ever since. And I always get asked by people, how do I turn my handwriting into a font? And you know what? These days it is so easy. So I'm going to show you today how to turn your handwriting into a font. All you need is an Apple Pencil and an iPad and the right app, and you'll make a font in less than 30 minutes. So in less than half an hour, you're going to be able to transform your handwriting into a font that you can then type with on your computer or your iPad. You can incorporate it into your designs. You can incorporate it into your branding. You can incorporate it into logo designs. There's all kinds of things you can do once you turn your handwriting into a font. If you don't know me yet, I'm Xhico. I'm an artist and designer specializing in surface pattern design and branding. Here's a look at some of my work. I'm also a design educator, so you may have seen my other classes on Skillshare, teaching design and Adobe Illustrator. I also have a membership for creative entrepreneurs to help them level up their design and branding skills. That's called Multicolor Minds. Okay, enough about me. Let's get into it, and we are going to make a font with your handwriting.